good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. And guys, today I want to talk about something that I mentioned in a lot of my videos, but I want to talk in depth about it and how this could really boost and make your craft business successful. Whether it's to make extra money as a side hustle, just to pay for your crafting supplies so you can buy more of them, or if you really want to take your craft business seriously and grow it and make it your full-time job. This is a thing that I don't see many craft videos that are talk about the subject talk about, so let's just get right into it. Today we're going to be talking about personalization, customization, and the science behind it, and how it could truly set your business aside from other craft businesses out there, make you money, and kind of boost you up into that new realm of money making, or being a full-time craft business owner. So while we're talking about money, I do want to quickly talk about today's sponsor, which is Hatch. Hatch's business checking account is specifically designed for small business owners like you and me. Not only do you get no NSF fees with Hatch, you get up to 5% cash back in places like gas stations, restaurant, hotels, and car rentals. You also get discounts on business softwares like Yelp, Square, and Indeed. Guys, you can literally get your first year free with Hatch using my discount code down below, and it's going to be hatchcard.com/Akira. Like I said, that link will be down below. And guys, they have some great features. Some of my favorite perks that come with Hatch is 50% off QuickBooks for 6 months. Not only that, they also give you credits to start advertising on Yelp and many more things. So check it out down below, guys, and let me know what you think. So if you don't think customization is that big of a deal, or it's not going to really boost your business to another place, just think about, I'm going to talk about all these huge companies that offer customization, or the company is just solely based on customization. Tesla is a huge company. They make billions of dollars each year, and they literally allow their customers to personalize their cars. So personalization doesn't get bigger than that, than personalizing a car. It's huge, and you know, these big companies do it for a reason. Tesla allows customers to design their cars. Nike ID, which used to be called back in the day, I think it's called Nike by You now. Why would a huge company like Nike offer customization if they didn't see the benefits in allowing their customers to create something a one-of-one? And mind you, they have a huge company. So just think about that. Shutterfly, Shutterfly's business model is really based on customization, taking your pictures, putting them on any type of material that you can even think of. That's what Shutterfly does. Vistaprint, literally their whole business model is customization, whether it's business cards, boxes, ornaments. I mean, you can put your face, your friend's face, your baby's face, whatever you want, you know, you can get it made at Vistaprint, as well as Zazzle. Zazzle is kind of the same business. Zazzle makes millions of dollars a year, and pretty much only thing they're really selling is customization. They have templates that you can customize. You can put your own pictures on items. I mean, their whole business model is set around customization. So just think about that, and think about how these businesses, their whole deal, their whole spiel, whatever you want to call it, is based on customization. So just think about how important that is. I mean, like Zazzle and Vistaprint, literally their whole business model is customization. Customize business cards, customize wallpaper, customize whatever you can think of, guys. Like I said, literally these businesses are based on customization. So why wouldn't you offer custom items in your craft business? It's literally the reason why Etsy is so popular. Well, Etsy is popular for a few different reasons. They filled in a niche market. Niche, I always say it's niche, people tell me it's niche, whatever. But they filled in a niche market that there wasn't before Etsy came around. Before Etsy, small crafters or vintage sellers had to sell through eBay. It wasn't really made for those types of sellers. and there was no special place for you to be able to sell your handmade items or your vintage items to a large audience. And that's where Etsy came in. And Etsy has only been around since 2005. So Etsy is not even 20 years old yet, and they have gone public. They make billions of dollars every year, and Etsy doesn't sell anything. They are just a marketplace. So just think about that. When you type in custom on Etsy, and you know I love to show things on the screen, you will see here that Etsy, there's literally 3 million items that have the word custom on them on Etsy. So think about that, 3 million items. That is an absurd amount of things that you can find that are customized on Etsy. And I always talk about Etsy because we're a craft business, and that's kind of people's go-to to sell their craft items or their handmade items. Now a little bit more into the science of this, and I want to talk to you about this so you can understand what I'm talking about, and also give you some ideas or examples of how you can use customization and personalization in your own business. So please stick around for that, because I think that's kind of be like the best part of this video, but I want you to kind of understand the science of it. So individualism has become really popular over the last 10 years due to social media and people's needs and wants to stand out. So if customization wasn't that important, Apple would come out with one phone, one color, and they would sell that to the masses, but they don't. Apple literally comes out with multiple phones in multiple sizes and multiple colors every year. Not, you know, not every few years, every decade, every year. Why they do that is because, just like me, I have an iPhone 11 and I have a 256 gigabyte, because that is custom to me, and I don't even know what color my phone is anymore, so I always have a case, but I think it's black. And I chose black because all of my other Apple products are black, and I like that sleek look. And again, it's not a huge customization, but it's custom to me because I could have got a pink, rose gold, and that's just not what I wanted because it doesn't fit me or my needs. So while you think, okay, that's not personally customized for you, you know, having different phone color options is a customization or personalization for the consumer. They pretty much reported that 1 in 5 consumers are willing to pay up to 20% more for products that are personalized or they feel are exclusive. And 46% of those people are happy to wait longer to receive their customized or personalized items. So just think about that as a business owner. 1 in 5 people are willing to or want customized items. And then they're willing to wait, you know, almost half of those people are willing to wait longer to get those customized items. So to me, that tells me 2 things. 1, this is something that people want, and 2, that they're willing to wait longer because they understand that customization comes with a longer time frame. So you as a business owner, you know that, hey, you know what, you're thinking maybe, you know, offering personalized items or customized items may not be for me, may take a little bit longer, or it may, you know, require more of you, but just think about the benefits and how this could really set your business aside from other craft businesses. Also, they found that there's an increase in customer satisfaction and different type of ownership over the product that increases brand loyalty. So just think about, for myself, right? I have a unique name. It's Akira, as you guys know. And I don't have anything with my name on it. Now this is a very basic type of customization where you put your name on something, but I had a bag made with my name on it. Now that bag is special to me. It's important to me. It's not, I take better care of that bag because I know that if something happens to it, I can't just go out to Target in an hour and go pick up a new one. I know that that bag is important to me because it's personalized for me and not for anybody else. And that's kind of where that increased ownership, those thoughts of increased ownership come from. So guys, I don't want you just think like, oh, personalization is me slapping somebody's name on something with my Cricut or anything like that. There's so many ways to personalize a product, and no matter what you sell, if you sell t-shirts, wine glasses, if you make mats, welcome mats, if you make planners. I mean, it literally doesn't matter what you make. There's a way to offer personalization or customization with your products. So I'm going to name a few different ways that you can do this, so you can kind of get your mind rolling and how you can take what you make now and offer personalized or customized items for your customers. So the first, like I talked about already, is putting personalized names on products. But also color selection. If you offer wine glasses, but the display picture is in orange, even just offering different colors, which most Etsy sellers do, is a type of personalization or customization. And it may require you to, you may have to stock, instead of stocking one color of vinyl, you may need to stock 10. But you can then charge your customer for you having to buy that extra product, and for their ability to be able to select what color they want. So that's just something to think about. And just think about if you sell your wine glasses for $20 a piece, and now you can add 20% more onto that, and you can sell them for $22, $25 if you want to allow them to have that customization. The value of customization is up to your customer, what they're willing to pay for it and what you want to charge for it. So there's a lot of options, and I don't want to go too deep into it, but you get what I'm saying. So color selection, also quantity can be considered a personalization. If you sell birthday packages and you sell them for 6, and you say for an upcharge of $50, you can either do 8, 16, 24, how many ever you need of this personalized birthday package. That's a customization. Now this person doesn't have to buy, say, 2 12 packs and get 24 when they only need 18. That is a customization, and that's something that people are willing to pay for if they need it. Also, quantity, and these kind of go together, but size. So say you offer a 12-inch cake topper, and 12-inch cake topper, I said that right, and you want to offer a customization of the buyer can add 4 to 8 inches to each topper to make it bigger. Now you can upcharge them for that thing that you already gonna have to make, and you can charge, extra $10, $15, $20 to add 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 inches onto that topper. And yes, you have a basic design that you're offering them, but you're offering the customization of size. Maybe this person has a grand cake and they need a 20-inch topper, and they love your design, but you don't offer 20-inch toppers. That is a small customization that you can charge a lot more for, and your customer is willing to pay for, because that's what they want. It's made personally for them. Also, a big way that you can help personalize your product is materials. So just say, I'm just pulling things that I know about and whatever out of my brain. So say you make shot glasses, right? And you want to be able, you have a general design, and you want to offer different materials. So yes, shot glasses are made with vinyl, but there's different types of vinyl material. Maybe you want to offer glitter vinyl. Maybe you want to offer holographic vinyl to make that one design that you have, but you allow your customer to customize it. And say you want to do color and you can mix color and material. So say you made this one shot glass in black, and then maybe you want to offer matte black glitter vinyl. You maybe want to offer green glitter vinyl. Those are different things that you can offer. And yes, as a business owner, it will require you to buy more supplies, but you then transfer that cost onto your customer, and they get that brand loyalty. If they know that, okay, if I need shot glasses, I need any party stuff, if I need anything and I want it to be custom, I know to go to a Kara shop, because she's going to allow me to pick the color, the size, the whatever you choose as your customization. So just think about how special that can make your shop, and how you can build brand loyalty with that customer, so they'll come back and back and back and back to buy things from you. Also, personality I could think is like a customization. So say for instance you have, even though I talked about how you shouldn't be doing these, but say you have a t-shirt brand, right? And this person has a quirky personality, and say you make succulent themed clothing, right? Just succulent is like the plants themed clothing, right? And you have a person who has a quirky or funny personality and they love succulents. So you can sell your succulent based stuff and maybe allow them to add a quote onto the shirt or onto the pants or onto whatever you're making, to not only does that reflect their personality, but okay, they already love succulents, so they're looking for succulent items, but now you get to add a piece of their personality by adding a funny joke or something that reflects them. So that is something that you can upcharge for, and people will feel very special when buying your product. Also, you know, engraving, that is a customization that you can do. That's super easy, depending on what type of machines that you have. Engraving certain items that you already have made is super easy way to add a customization, and it's really, you know, not too time consuming or requires a lot additional from you. And then the last thing is just like complete customization. You can offer, and I'll show you here on the screen how many Etsy shops offer blanks. Your photo here, your name here, your whatever here, your fabric, the size you wear, you know, whatever. They allow you to customize. They offer a blank, and you can customize it down to the T. And that's where, you know, you can make a lot of money if you offer just complete customizations, where this person can come in and customize their product from the rooter to the tutor. You know, whatever they want, as long as it's in your wheelhouse and it's something that you can do, let them do it. That's my thoughts. And just, you know what you gotta do? You gotta charge for it. And I feel like if you do these things, you will be where the money resides. Your shop will be where the money resides, and you can turn your side hustle into a full-time thing. Now, I'm not saying, you know, customization is the only thing that you need in order to make your business successful, but this is something that I've never seen anyone talk about here on YouTube, and I think it will really be the secret to making your craft business successful. So guys, what do you think? Like, give me your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this. How could you and how could you make customizations in your business and your craft? Because you guys watch my videos, you make all types of crafts. So how would you customize what you make in your shops, you know, on your online, if you sell on Facebook, wherever? How would you customize your products? And has this got your mind going to think about certain customizations? I hope it has. I hope this was helpful. I really enjoyed making this video and doing the research. I thought this was something that would be super helpful for all you guys. So thank you for watching. Let me know down below what you think and what you're going to customize, and I will see you in the next one.